County in southwestern Iowa until 5 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 4 miles east-northeast of Blair, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Modale around 4:25 p.m. Mondayman around 4. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Mills County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, eastern Douglas County, northeastern Sarpy County, southeastern Washington County, until 8 p.m. At 4:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Omaha, Council Bluffs, Bellevue, Battalion, Ralston, Boys Town, Offutt Air Force Base, Millard, La Vista, Carter Lake, Crescent, Midtown, Ackerman, South Omaha, Benson, Florence, Etley Airfield, Walnut Creek Recreation Area, Prairie Queen Recreation Area, and Standing Bear Lake. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.